Ever wondered how stores actually make a profit on Black Friday? Welcome back to HowToFormula, your go-to channel for uncovering the secrets behind the biggest trends and events. Today, we're diving into the world of Black Friday, the most anticipated shopping event of the year. Let's find out. First up, let's talk about loss leaders. These are products that stores sell at a loss to lure you in. Think of those incredible deals on TVs or gaming consoles. Stores know that once you're in, you'll likely buy other items at full price, offsetting the initial loss. Next, we have limited time offers and doorbusters. These create a sense of urgency and excitement. Limited stock and time-sensitive deals make shoppers more impulsive, leading to higher overall sales. Another tactic is bundling. Stores often bundle high-margin products with popular items. For example, a discounted laptop might come with a pricey software package. This increases the average transaction value and boosts profits. And let's not forget about price anchoring. Stores display a high original price next to the discounted price to make the deal look even better. This psychological trick makes customers perceive the discount as more significant. Now, have you noticed how some items are always strategically placed at the back of the store? This is strategic product placement. By placing popular sale items at the back, stores ensure you walk past full-priced merchandise, increasing the chances of additional purchases. Lastly, let's talk about online sales and data collection. Black Friday isn't just in store anymore. Online deals attract a massive audience, and every click and purchase gives retailers valuable data. So this data helps them understand shopping habits and tailor future marketing strategies. So there you have it. Stores use a combination of loss leaders, limited time offers, bundling, price anchoring, strategic placement, and data collection to turn Black Friday into a profitable event. Thanks for joining us on HowToFormula. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and comment below with your favorite Black Friday deal. Until next time, happy shopping.